Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to build a custom shop Fender guitar. So if you're anything like me, you walk into a guitar shop, you look at all these very high-end custom guitars, and you like them, and you like to try them, and you like to take them home. Some of them, they're so expensive. They're works of art, don't get me wrong, but they're very, very expensive. So I've always wanted to build my own. Now, I've modified some guitars in the past. I've changed pickups and necks and all kinds of stuff, but I've never just bought the parts and built them. So that's what I'm going to do. So my guitar of choice has always been the vintage Fender type guitars. I just always love the look of them, and but they're way out of my price range for sure. But doing this, I can do them just the way I want. So I've gotten this Fender Telecaster style neck from Warmouth, great company. They build great necks. So it looks like a Telecaster neck, but it's got what they call the wizard cut. So it's cut like a high-end Ibanez guitar with a wizard neck, and that's the thickness of it. And they're really amazing necks, really good. And I also like Seymour Duncan pickups. I can get this little Seymour Duncan pickup here that'll fit in a traditional Telecaster space, but it's got all the power of a big humbucker pickup. So I like Seymour Duncan pickups. So that's the pickup I'm going to have. This body I bought from somebody on eBay who had it built and didn't use it. So this is one thing I actually got a deal on, what we call a rummage sale deal maybe, but everything else I bought brand new from a vendor of some sort. So the rest of the parts here I got are genuine Fender parts. And they're the same parts and pieces that you would get if you were to go buy a USA made Fender guitar. This is a vintage bridge. They're all Fender parts. And I got these parts from a place called Sweetwater. Very good customer service, very good prices. You can call them up and discuss things with them. They're very knowledgeable. And when you get things from them, you get a complimentary bag of candy too, which is really nice. So I was also able to get headstock decals, vintage headstock decals for an Esquire, which is really neat. But I'm not going to sell this as a Fender guitar. This is still going to be a homemade parts caster. No way do I endorse selling counterfeit guitars. And there won't even be a serial number on it, so it'll always be a homemade guitar, but it'll be mine, so that's the cool thing. So none of these vendors sponsor me. Let me start by saying that, but I do highly recommend them. If anybody from Fender's watching, I'll take your sponsorship. The folks at Sweetwater were a lot of help, and I really recommend them. And just stay tuned for about a week. We'll have another video of the finished product and we'll get to listen to it. And hopefully it turns out pretty good. I'd like for it to. And so there will be links to these vendors in the description. And I highly recommend Warmouth, Sweetwater, Fender, and Seymour Duncan. I've never had a problem with them at all. And I love their stuff. And stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and we'll bring you another video with the finished product. And I'm looking forward to it. Probably in a week, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.